Hi all, are you ready to create? I'm going to show you how to do a one-point perspective street scene. So first you need to do your horizon line. Use a ruler and a pencil to create your horizon by creating a line in the middle of your paper, and then choose a point that's going to be your vanishing point. It can be anywhere on the horizon. Now I'm going to create a path or a road by joining the vanishing point to the bottom of my paper. It can be as wide as you want. I'm going to start by creating a house. So I'm making a rectangle, and I'm being careful to so that the lines are parallel to the paper or perpendicular to the horizon. And if you have a square ruler, it's quite useful to do that. So I have a rectangle, and that's going to make my house. So I'm going to have the roof of the house by doing a triangle on top of the rectangle. So notice for this part of the house, I'm not using any perspective. I'm not using the vanishing point. So I just have a rectangle and a triangle on top. That's going to be the side of the house. Now to create the front of the house, I'm joining it to the vanishing point, the top of the roof and the facade. And now I'm closing off my house, like so. So this is a house using one-point perspective. You can then add doors and windows and all the details you want. I'm going to do another house on the other side of the road, and I'm going to make it different. I'm going to do a shorter, longer house so you can see how it works if your house is a little bit different. So you can see the side of the house there, and I'm joining all the edges to the vanishing point. Again. And I'm closing off my houses there, and then you can add again all the details, all the doors, windows. I'm going to add a bit more details to the road, so it looks a little bit more like a road. Add some lampposts and all the details you can find on a road. Now you can use your imagination to do it, or you can look at a picture, or you can look at your own street and try to draw that as well. I'm trying to make different types houses, adding some trees. I'm going to have a tower block there at the end, and adding details now. So every object you add, you need to join up to the vanishing point, so that it's all the lines go towards the vanishing point. Remember, things get smaller as they go towards the distance. And there we have a street scene using one-point perspective. Feel free to add details, colors, and I can't wait to see what you do.